Hey, sweet friends, welcome to this week's edition of Learning with LV. So this week we are going to take a little spin and I'm going to teach you how to get your drink on and keep your fitness strong. So as we come sliding into the most amazing festive time of year where alcohol is everywhere, life is hard, and it makes it easier. So I'm going to help you manage your alcohol macros like a boss so that you can stay tracking on your fitness goals and enjoy a little taste of the holidays. My name's Lauren Valentino, and I help women just like you with nutrition and fitness so that you can reach your goals faster and live in a strong, confident body that you're madly in love with. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. Make sure that you subscribe, click the bell to get notified. I put out a new training just for you guys every single week. So we're not even gonna try to pretend that alcohol is not gonna happen this season. So I'm gonna share with you 3 tips so that you can drink responsibly without wrecking all of your fitness goals. The very first one, I'm gonna teach you guys how to log your alcohol. So if you're tracking your calories and you're on top of those macros, I'm gonna show you exactly how to log in your alcohol so that you know where you're landing in your total calorie intake for the day. Now, if you notice, if you're looking at the back of an alcoholic beverage, you're gonna see the calories. But what you're gonna notice is that there are no protein, it's not really any carbs, and also not any fat. So where's the calories coming from? So alcohol has been known to be called the 4th macro, and it is that because of the way our bodies process alcohol. Now, when you're logging alcohol, you cannot ever log it as protein. You have to log it as either carbs or as fats. So quick reminder, 1 gram of carbs has 4 calories. 1 gram of fat has 9 calories. So I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that in the chart that I've included in the link below. So grab that information there. You will find it super helpful if you are trying to keep on track of the calories that you are intaking in the season. Tip number 2, no matter how much fun you're having, alcohol is still viewed as a toxin in our bodies. So make sure that you hydrate before, during, and after drinking all the drinks. Also, do not forget your minerals. Alcohol pulls minerals from our body, and if you've ever tried to go get a really great workout the day after a really great party, you have probably felt the after effects of being depleted of minerals. You feel like you're dragging your body through the mud, rep by rep. That is because your body is craving those minerals. So make sure that you get some good, healthy, high quality minerals back into your body ASAP. I dropped the link to my favorite ones below. Tip number 3, before I share with you 3 holiday drink favorites that I absolutely love that you can enjoy guilt-free, tip number 3 is that once you open the bar, you close the kitchen, okay? So one of the number 1 ways to get yourself in trouble with extra calories that get turned into body fat is that you get your snack on while you're getting your drink on. So once you start enjoying your ice cold beverage, make sure that the snacking comes to an end. Now, come on over to the bar with me. I'm gonna share with you 3 holiday recipes that you can enjoy a little more on the guilt-free side of things and enjoy some holiday flavors. So I'll see you there. The first drink recipe I'm gonna share with you is a holiday mule. It's a little less naughty and a lot more nice. You're gonna start out with your ice in your cup. You're gonna do a shot of vodka, a shot of cranberry juice. You're gonna make a mess. You're gonna grab ginger beer and finish filling your cup. Fresh mint leaves, put 3 or 4 in there. Grab a cinnamon stick and stir it up and serve. Our second holiday drink is a cranberry mojito. You're gonna take fresh mint leaves and you're going to muddle them. Just break them apart really well. You want the mint to infuse into your drink. So do this first. Put this over top of ice. From there, you're gonna do 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar. This is lower glycemic index, so you're gonna pour that into your drink next. You're gonna do 1/4 cup of cranberry. And then 1/4 cup of sparkling water. Then you're gonna add your ounce of rum. And you're gonna stir it up really well. And serve. Our third guilt-free drink is made by yours truly. I like to call this Elvie's Tropic Holiday. So first you're gonna start with mandarin, and you're going to peel one of them and just muddle it in a separate cup, smash it up really good. Go ahead and pour it over ice. Then you're going to take whipped cream vodka, 1 ounce, pour it in. Then pineapple vodka. Again, you're gonna do 1 ounce, pour it in. Then you have to grab the LaCroix Limoncello. I'm gonna finish your drink with this. Stir it really well. And enjoy. Hey sweet friends, thanks so much for tuning in with me today. Enjoy your holiday season. Of course, always drink responsibly. If you're drinking, let someone else do the driving. If you have questions, comments, or any recipes that you want to share, you can definitely drop those below, and I'll see you guys next week. Take care.